Hello, this is my project proposal final. My name is Patricia Rhodes. Hello, my name is Patricia Rhodes. I'm the director of this nonprofit organization called Ending Homelessness One Step at a Time. I'd like to take this time to thank you, Bill Gates Foundation, for listening to my proposal to helping in homelessness. We can see here a view of the downtown Los Angeles, Skid Row, and this is how the people are living on the street. Here are some facts on the increasing homelessness population in Los Angeles County. Homelessness population in 2018 was 52,765. In 2019, it went up to 58,936. And in 2020, it went up to 66,436. According to the 2019 U.S. Census Bureau, estimate the Los Angeles County population was 52.1% is white, 25.9% is non-Hispanic white. We can see how the homelessness in California has gradually increased in the last 3 years. Blacks are the largest racial ethnic group in Los Angeles County, and they are disproportionately represented when compared to other races. African Americans represent 39% of the homeless population. During the pandemic, there has been mandatory complete shutdown of all essential businesses. This has been an unanticipated economic blow to the world and the United States. We see that a lot of African Americans live paycheck to paycheck. With mandatory shutdown, their livelihood has stopped. This has caused for food insecurity and for their homes to be lost. Ending Homelessness One Step at a Time is the name of my program, and it's geared to help African American homelessness populations since they have an unproportionately higher rate of homelessness compared to other races living on the streets. In order for my program to be successful and reduce the homelessness, there has to be a multi-organization collaborations from the state funds, and private enterprise. The goal of my program is to serve as a model that can be renewed and grow. To resolve homelessness problem, there has to be an ongoing program. My plan is to have a two-part. One is to prevent African American families and individuals from becoming homeless. And the second part is to help the homeless. So here we can see in this diagram how part one of my program is to help find emergency funding to stop eviction, help with food security, find adult schools that will teach trade and on-the-job training, and have before and after school programs to offer meals and give a sense of security and peace of mind to the parents when they're working. The second part of my program is to find permanent housing, help with medical needs, Doctors Without Borders, and adult schools that will teach a trade or a job on-the-job training. All African Americans deserve to be happy. Seniors need to feel safe, that they have a home. The young people need to know that they have a future. Families need to feel safe in a home, secure. Our teenagers should feel safe and happy, not have insecurities, and find themselves in a safe place. There should not be food insecurity, and they shouldn't be living in the street, facing dangerous violence. Thank you very much for your time. Here are my references. I hope you will consider my proposal and fund my program. Thank you.